Supervised learning finds extensive applications in various domains. Image classification. Algorithms can learn to classify images into different categories, such as identifying objects in photos or recognizing handwritten digits. Sentiment analysis. By learning from labeled text data, algorithms can determine the sentiment expressed in customer reviews or social media posts, distinguishing between positive and negative sentiment. Spam filtering. Algorithms can be trained to predict whether an email is spam or legitimate by analyzing the content, metadata, and historical label data. Fraud detection. Supervised learning enables the development of models that learn to identify fraudulent transactions by learning from label data that includes known instances of fraudulent and non-fraudulent transactions. Medical diagnosis. Supervised learning algorithms can analyze patient data, such as symptoms and medical test results, to assist in diagnosing diseases or predicting patient outcomes. Financial forecasting. By learning from historical financial data and corresponding outcomes, algorithms can make predictions about stock prices, market trends, or risk assessment.